we're going to play merry-go sound again with our merry-go-round and pretend we're at the carnival. But this time we're going to work on things that have beginning R in them. Okay, remember R is probably the hardest sound to make because it makes your tongue use its muscles. Okay, so for R, remember I would always tell you tongue up, slide it back in the roof of your mouth. You're going to feel the outside of your tongue on the inside of your top teeth, and you want it to be tight. So it's up, back, tight, teeth, because you feel the teeth. And then the last step is lips and a smile. Okay? Because you don't want your lips like you make a W, or it's going to be the W sound, and you'd be saying woes instead of rose. You'd be saying one instead of run. Okay, so try to remember that. R is tough, but let's practice. Okay, you are going to be blue. If I can find it, there I am going to be red. Okay, I'm going to read a word, give you time to say it. Please listen to yourself, okay? And make sure you're doing a good R, getting your tongue up to the top, back, tight, teeth, lips, and a smile. Okay, and then I'm going to see if you can do it in a sentence. I'll read a sentence, and then you try that, okay? Then you get to, which is me, because you can't reach through and roll this, can you? I'll roll for you and move you on the board. When it's my turn, you can sure say my stuff. I wish you would, because that would be double practice for you then. I'll roll, and so on. And what we want to do is get all the way to the merry-go-round. And I guess I better adjust this now so you can see the board, okay? Instead of me. All right. It's always a little tough getting everything just right, but I think we're okay. You're just not going to see me, but that's okay. All right, so you get the first turn. Here we go. And these will have beginning R sounds. Okay, race. Yep, say race. Okay, the sack race. All right, ready for the sentence? Jessie won the sack race. Okay, sack race, where they're hopping in those sack races. All right. 2. There you go. My turn. Remember, you're sure welcome to say mine, and I hope you do. Rattle. The baby's rattle. The baby's rattle is yellow. I'm going to adjust this just a tad. Okay, the baby's rattle is yellow. My turn to roll. For me, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we want to be careful. We don't want to say we're going to roll it. We're going to roll it. Okay, your turn. Rug. The small rug. The small rug needs to be cleaned. Okay, got it? All right. 3. 1, 2, 3. We are tied up. My turn. Robe. This pink robe. This pink robe is all wet. Oh, that's not good. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Raisins. Box of raisins. I can eat a whole box of raisins. I would do that if they had chocolate on them. 2. There you go. All right, my turn. Raven. A black raven. A black raven sat on the limb. Okay, a branch of a tree is called a limb. Okay. 1. Here's yours. Roof. And some people say roof. Say it either way. Below the roof. The dog is below the roof. Here you go. 1. And you get, see there's a merry-go-round? A merry-go-sound card. You found a ticket. Move ahead 1 space. All right, you're right behind me. My turn. Rocket. The speedy rocket. The speedy rocket flew in space. Okay. 1. This might take us the rest of the day at this rate. This is yours. Ring. This diamond ring. This diamond ring is shiny. Okay, this diamond ring is shiny. Is that what you said? Okay. Here we go. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you are 3 ahead of me. Here's mine. Rope. The long rope. The long rope has a knot in it. Okay? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a merry-go-sound. Eat some popcorn. Move ahead 1 space. Okay? Your turn. Now this one's one a lot of people get wrong. I don't want to hear you say woes. Say rose. Okay. A blooming rose. A blooming rose is beautiful. All righty. Let's see what you get. 2. Now you and I are tied up again. Rain. Lots of rain. Lots of rain fell this week. 1. Roots, and some people say roots, has long roots. The plant has long roots. That's what goes down into the dirt. Oh, you get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My turn. Rat. The big rat. The big rat has a long tail. I don't really like rats. 3. 1, 2, 3. We're tied again. Your turn. Red. This spot is red. Spot is red. This spot is red. Alrighty. Yours. Oh, what'd you get? Oh, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my turn. Oh, a lot of people say wabbit, but I'm not going to say wabbit. Rabbit. That cute rabbit. That cute rabbit sat on the lawn. Remember, the lawn is your grass. 4. All right, your turn. Raft. In the raft. We sat in the raft. All right, let's see what you get. 3. 1, 2, 3. Ribbon. A blue ribbon. First place wins a blue ribbon. Sometimes it's fun to win those. 3. 1, 2, 3. I get a merry-go-sound card. You are wearing sunscreen. Move ahead 2. Because you know we're supposed to do that so we don't get skin cancer. Your turn. Radio. To the radio. Let's listen to the radio. Okay, you ever listen to the radio? Usually some music on is nice. All right, so your turn. 1. It's hard for me to remember whose turn it is sometimes since I'm the only one moving. My turn. Rock. A big rock. A big rock is in the field. Okay? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your turn. Oh, and a lot of people say wobot, but I'm not going to say wobot. I'm going to say robot. The squeaky robot. The squeaky robot waved to us. Should I say it again, that last one for you? The squeaky robot waved to us. Okay, let's see what you get. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's maybe going to be a close game. All right, so you had that. This must be my turn. Rattlesnake. The baby rattlesnake. The baby rattlesnake shook its tail. That's where their rattle is, and that's how they make that noise. 1 for me. We're tied up. Here's yours. Rainbow. The end of the rainbow. How many clouds do you see at the end of the rainbow? That was kind of long. I'm going to say it again. How many clouds do you see at the end of the rainbow? All right, see what you get. If you get a 1, you can go, or a 2, you'd win. Anything bigger, you can't move. 5, you can't do it. My turn. Road. The long road. The long road winds to the left. A wind means it would curve. All right, I can do a 1 or a 2. I got a 1. All right, so that's a merry-go-sound card. The clown gives you a balloon. Move ahead 2. But I have to get the exact number, and I only need 1. 2 is too many. All right, we ran out of our R's, so now we're just going to roll and see who gets it. This is you. 2, 1, 2, you beat me. And you get to hear the merry-go-round sound. One more time. Woo, it's over. All right, well, thanks for playing with me. Remember, have your tongue up, slide it back. It should be tight. You should feel your teeth with your tongue, and lips and a smile. Bye for now.